Joe here, Southern Coast Cooking, coming at you tonight. We're gonna make a wonderful kind of a chicken dip, shredded chicken dip. My wife and I are gonna dip with some pork skins. Just try to do a low carb type thing. You can serve with the chips if you wanted to. I'll show y'all what. This is something like my own creation that I've come up with. I might start out something very easy, about 1.5 cups of your favorite mayo. All right. So we're getting the base or so. And then we're getting some of this Frank's hot sauce, powdered hot sauce seasoning. Order mine off of Amazon, okay? I don't know if you can find it in grocery stores or not. Again, I can put a link to where I get mine. So you take that, let me get a tablespoon measure. Get me 1, about 2 1/3 or so tablespoons of that seasoning right there. You want to get a ranch dressing seasoning, you know, like the packets. All right, put that off in there, just like that. And then I like to take a little bit of taco seasoning. I don't have to use the whole pack. But we'll go in there. All right, tablespoon or 2 of this. All right. Now what we want to do is mix that around in the mayonnaise. Get that mixed up a little bit. About like that. All right. Once that's mixed up some, you come in here. I got some green chilies in a can with the juice. Pour those in there. Mix that up. And get all that mixed in. That's gonna be a super flavor party right there, y'all. Put that in there. Might add just a little bit more of the taco seasoning. Maybe a little bit more of the Frank's. Alright. It's all stirred in. I'm gonna bring it all over here to the chicken. I got 6 nice chicken breasts here. Alright, this is how I'm doing it. 6 chicken breasts. I'm going to pour this over the chicken breast. And this is my little pressure cooker, or you can use your smart pot, whatever you want to call it. You can even go low and slow in a crackhead pot. If you want to with this. Let me get in here in just a second. I'm going to mix that around. Alright, get me a glove on. The best thing, you just want to kind of coat your chicken with this. This will really help season that chicken. If you wanted to let this marinate for an hour or 2 like this, that would not hurt, I'm telling you. Probably even go overnight. But you just want to get your chicken all coated up with this good stuff. Okay. Then we'll come in here and can of a Rotel. I'm using a hot Rotel, either way. Kind of mix that in. Right. But again, if you want to let that chicken just marinate in that, that would not hurt one bit. Now I've got some cream cheese. I got 3 bars of cream cheese, 16-ounce pieces. I just kind of left that on the counter. Let them get soft. Put that down in here. Okay. Yeah. Now I've got some shredded, just, you know, your regular shredded cheddar jack, Culver jack, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to pour some of that off in here. If I can get it open. My hand's all nasty. Anyway, got a little bit left here. We'll go ahead and just kind of mix that all around in there. Don't hurt nothing. Then I've got some Havarti. Could use pepper jack or something if you want them. This is some little sliced stuff. Just to give it some layers of flavor, different taste. See, different cheeses. And we'll just spread that around some. Y'all, this is gonna be so good. Tell you what. So we're gonna put this in the pressure cooker or your Instant Pot or wherever you got. We'll let this go. So let's turn this bad boy on. Let's set it over here for the pressure cook. Ain't phone. Pressure cook, and Let's let that, I'm gonna turn it down to about 30 minutes. What we want for that, all right? And we'll just let it roll. I just took the lid off and cooked for about 45 minutes. What I'm gonna do is pull the chicken breast out, shred them, put them back into that juice, okay? Let me show you what I got here. So I got all the chicken right there, and I'm gonna just shred it up with my hands. Got some glove liners underneath these gloves. And we'll bust this up. And meanwhile, I'll put that sauce in my blender. And I just blended it smooth, all right? And we'll come back to this chicken in a few minutes. But like I said, right now, I just want to bust all this chicken up, get it good and shredded, and we'll come back to the sauce. Also, I got the chicken all shredded up. Now I'm gonna season it a little bit more. Got some of Tango Verde from Tango Spice Company. Wonderful seasoning. Wonderful, like Mexican style. I use it on all my enchiladas verdes and stuff like that. I'm gonna come in back with a little bit more of this red. All right, French red eyes. Right over the top of that. Okay. Good stuff, y'all. You're gonna mix this all in the kitchen and back in the chicken. Get in a bowl, and we're gonna make the dip. All right, so I got the bowl right here, and we're gonna go ahead and pour the cheese sauce right over it. And I'll mix out all that in, y'all. And that's good stuff. That's that dip. I've already made me a little bowl of it here on the side. I just want to kind of just turn all this around, turn this in. This is what we'll keep for the rest of the week. And we'll go ahead and taste it for y'all here in just a second. That's going to be some mighty fine eating right there. All right, y'all, so let's try it. Looks really good right here. You go ahead and just dip the pork rind in there. Like I said, you can use chips, whatever you want to use. Just a thick dip right there. Oh, yeah. Oh, lost some of the chicken there. That's good. Another one. That's good stuff, y'all. Gotta try it. Thank y'all so much. Please like my videos, sub my channel. God bless, and y'all have a good one.